Siyalibingelela ke bahlabezulu kuzinto zonke kuzo emhlabeni wonke jikelele sesikhathi igama ngeza Jesus Banda ngihamba ke lododo namhlanje ke njana kunjena nje sisingapha senza lo hlelo sisecholojo ireason sisecholojo lapha labe CNC kubona ke sihamba ngomncwabo lezo ngesabathe ephileni mhla ka5 khona pana ke ngoAugust abafana laba insimbi zejwane basichile ngozi nemoto ababili Elvis elemaziyo ngothi uma Eli umathe kanye lo maviri owecha ke drum labafana ke bafe kabhlungu kakhulu sazama lemzamo ke sesizwe bafile sagijima sayempilo bafika ngesande labalimeleyo ngikhuluma bo Brenna oBrema ke laphana kwakhanya ukuthi hayi amadokotela kawakho empilo kwathi abuya Tuesday yibusukuma lapha ke chinga lapha sancedwa la nguDr Solwayo wagcina siyacela amadokotela ahlezi ngekhawuthi kabuye ke emsebenzini afika la amadokotela qasa wakhala amaskanza hayi okhanya balimele kakubi bangena ku-intensive care sasenza la amadokotela kunjalo ke kwabanzima hlandla lana babelimele lupane baphuma basila oyedwa wangikhona ke wasebuya ngapha azojoyina labanye abangu5 sabika ke umbiko ubuye ke uBrema uthange simtshela ubana umfweni kasekho wakwamukela kodwa ke bekunzima bakwethu bekunzima kakhulu uthe kunjalo ke namhlanje kuseni besile memorial service yabo babili umaveri kanye lo Eli kwaphana ke amphitheater kunjenje sizolalela ngabe echolojo ngikhuluma nje kwesabeka ekhaya lika Eli kugcwele kwesabeka lapha abantu ababuthene khona ngithengize lapha ke esidikidikini secholojo sichayela oluhlelo sizwe ubana ke hamba njani ngoba sithwele imtshina yethu njalo bona de kucha live izolo echolojo ngale khasi bona iyahlupha inedungu ngenzalo kube live kodwa ngenzathu ngabe live ngakho ke namhlanje ngikhuluma nje amabhendi acha suka lapha semabhendini batshala chawo usuku wonke kuze kube ke ekuseni lapha khalo lahla ke ekuseni kusasa uma Eli nesonto siyasesibulawa siyelahla ke umaviri eloveve siyabonga kakhulu kwabe Kingdom Blue labanye bonke abancesile lo hulumende eZimbabwe sinemabhasi angu5 siyabonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu aliphathise kodwa singangeni ikela silikhumbuza ukuthi kethi insimbi zejwane vele zona ziyini ikela sokumisa ivideo yabo libona
Zinyabhezi mhlazana phume originally ngiphume originally yibona utata wethu yasethu nasethu ngeke phinde sakhulu wazalo nempeza mina kanti vele yini awamajani nokuphefumulo wakhe zinyabhezi mhlazana phume originally ngiphume originally yibona utata wethu yasethu nasethu ngeke phinde sakhulu wazalo nempeza mina kanti vele yini awamajani nokuphefumulo wakhe zinyiphume esibhedlela sempilo yibona umama elamanxeba yehlengesele nyebhesi i-operation inxeba lehloso ayafuta amanxeba sengilethela umfowethu omncane emhlabeni nge-operation zinyiphume esibhedlela sempilo yibona umama elamanxeba yehlengesele nyebhesi i-operation inxeba lehloso ayafuta amanxeba sengilethela umfowethu omncane emhlabeni nge-operation ngizefisa ukuthi ngabe khona into yenhliziyo yangafiyo yaphila lapha emhlabeni mama bengizohamba ngifumane ngithathe inhliziyo yami yokubeka sifisa sami sehlula amaphupho ngizefisa ukuthi ngabe khona into yenhliziyo yangafiyo yaphila lapha emhlabeni mama bengizohamba ngifumane ngithathe inhliziyo yami yokubeka izona yamadoda
laba liwabonayo bejeva mnandi luhlelo ngisakhumbula asifuna ubalekela kakhulu ke uhlelo siyababonga liyabe liyibona nje ngemva kwami lapha ke lokho ichacha kungasenani ke sidlala ngokuthula ama-eli lala ngokuthula amaviri ke uhlelo yilo lolu hlelo ngisakhumbula nase ngiphethe ke vela ku Henry Ntshangase. Henry Ntshangase uthi chisa komnyaka ka 1997 lapha bengu temporary teacher ngasuka ngakhonale ke Lupanda ukuyafundisa ngifike lapha ngangisemncane ngisanda kuqeda ke esikolweni ama 19 years ngithe ngikona bana ke kwakulo head mistress wayekhona uyamqamba ibizo lo mama ngesikhathi somqando wayethi ngikwethise kuye njengo temporary teacher lami ngisendlaleni hayi ngacina ke ngisenza okuningi laye khona phana kwagcina ukusiba yiko lokuthi seyintombi yami aqalisa ubuya ama teacher ke ya qualified amancane ke emsakazi wabuya ke uteacher okuthiwa ke uMiss Moyo Moyo lo ngamahawukela wazama ukuba le jealous ke lo head teacher engihlukuluza kakhulu esiqaso ngihwabhela esithi mina sendana lo mntana omncane size yami satshontshela lo Moyo kwaze kwathi ngokuya kwesikhathi ke uteacher lo waqalisa ukuthi Moyo is not fit kodwa ke yahlupha ke teacher lo ke kanti kwelanga ngibuzanga abantwana kanjalo ukuthi ngiwatshela nabantwana besikolo kwelanga uthe yangwatshela ke umntwana laphana bahamba bamkhothi ukuthi athi ke ngimbambile umntwana esikolo ke wabe siya report we teacher kwabe emapholisa ngafaka insimbi ngaya ngeke kabe emphakathini njengomuntu owayethandwa ngabantu njalo ngamfundisa kuhle nama sports ngathathwa laphana ke kubotshwa kwami siyeLupane kwathiwa ke ngizama ubamba umntwana wabuye ke umntwana sayekhoti wagagasa umntwana wakhanya ukuthi uyawumana hayi ngabe wathiwa ngelacala ke ukuphuma kwami lesana esikolo kwahle kwaphela ukufuna uba ngutitsha namphindanga ngala ku-teachers training ngahle ngachiya sengikhulile sengilabantwana chisa lemuli yimi ke lo ke ngithe ngikhumbula udaba lami lakudala kuma-90s ngapho zangangena ejele ngento engayenzanga ngicela ke ungitshele ke enye izingoma xa ungazithola ke ezilandelayo wabhaleza abazinengana ingoma wathi sikubona ukuthi ngawuthelela yiphi lapha ke njengomlobi abanye lani ibhalanini ke esibhalela khona lani ingoma siyakuchayela ubufunani siyakufakela kumbe ucelani ucela iphi ingoma singayithola siyayichaya hayi inhliziyo zelokhu eziphansi bakwethu ngeke ke ngikuchayele ubazobuya uthe yoyithandayo so brothers futhi ayithola Brothers South African ingoma isithi ke bazobuya sibalindile umama bethu bakhala-ke uhlelo lwakho ngisakhumbula siyitshale ke Henry Ntshangase namhlanje-ke kungena nje singapha ngasejwane ngasecholotsho-ke lapha echolotsho-ke hhayi indawo-ke enhle wamagama esithemba ukubana-ke lina-ke abaningi liyayazi kucholotsho ngoba silapha silanda umonakalo kusasa siyabeka khona kecholotsho-ke ijaka elidala-ke ingoma baranini-ke ezweni lazo zibuye ngokushesha incwadi zenu kazibuye ngokushesha sizithole ngiphethe vele-ke kusista moyo kunjani sista moyo uthi yena ngiyakubekelela-ke msazi mina-ke ngikhumbula-ke bengihlala-ke ephumula-ke kubulawayo ngingasuke ngasiya e-South Africa ukuyadinga umsebenzi bengithandana lo ngokwami-ke usekamachu sihlezi kuhle sibili kodwa into ekhona ngasuke ngasendana lo mfana-ke wayehamba ngeventure kumalayitsha hhayi ngihamba uyantshontshela wayemphathela into ezinhle kakhulu umfana wazangithatha umbaleke sasuke ekhaya safika-ke eGoli e-South Africa wasala labantwana embathile bonomachu lomna wakhe-ke ubutho ngithe ngikhona e-South Africa-ke indoda liyazama ungizingela ibuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni mfazi wami ngathi lami ngisadinga amadlela aluhlaza lo bhuti-ke wafika wamfaka kwelinye ifleti-ke wangenza umfazi wakhe ngahlala-ke khonapho sibili ebuye ekhaya ngapho mina ngisale ngikhona ngaze ngabona ukuthi hhayi lo muntu-ke into ayenzayo vele ukhanya ethanda abafazi ngisuke ngasengigula-ke inkonaphana-ke ngagcina-ke isisu sami sibuhlungu ngathi ngisiyale ensitha ngithola ukuthi ngiyathola nzima ngaya kuma-test kwatholakala ukuthi-ke le STD esabekayo noma lokuthi ngabe ngiyithethe ngabo kuhlala bakwazi ukuthi nguye ngoba ngangalali lo munye umuntu njalo umkami sasile minyaka eyi-9 ungazakubela lutho ngambuza laphana-ke waqasa ukungishaya enje ukuthi sengibuye lo mkhuhlane azomfaka umkhuhlane eGoli nguya kwesikhathi-ke ngasetesta kuzokhanya ukuthi hhayi vele-ke sengile gcikwane msazi ngigulile ngahawula ngathwala nzima lapha e-South Africa ngagcina ngibuyele ekhaya ukuthi ngifele ekhaya ngathola-ke usamachu sibili wanginceda umuntu wenkosi engisiza sengikhaya kodwa wathi kasabuyelelani nami msazi ngasengithola amaphilisi ngiyaphila lakathi esichisa sengibuyelele njalo-ke eGoli sengiqinile kodwa ngiyazisola ngokuchitha-ke umtshado wami ngawenzayo le ndoda yami sayathatha omunye umama sebantwana abanye ababili and umama lo ngiyambonga amandlovu ugcina kuhle abantu abami yimi odabuleyo sisa moyo ngilokhu ngimthanda-ke Chuma wami Golide okuyindoda emadodeni ngasuka ngayengeka ngenxa yokuthanda izinto awu madoda isifundo leso-ke mama esinzima kumele basinanzelele ijenda ka-Eva le-ke iloko ngama-weakanyana ngama-weaknesses liyazizwa yini agenda ka-Eva lilama-weaknesses kumele libe careful into-ke enzakala ntwana ozichithela umuzi wakho osihlalele lo mngakho sometimes into ziyabe zenziwa for a reason maybe uChuma you deserve the better wife angikuthethi izibhathi ngizama ukutshela ukuthi uChuma uthi deserve the better wife ngithilo ngathi-ke abasibhalelayo libhale ngapha uhlelo ngisakhumbula-ke sibuye-ke sikukhethe lezi ngoma sikutshele-ke ingoma-ke kunalo msakazo we-YouTube tshela abangani bakho share the page lapho elikhona share ipage leli sikhulume nini sixoxe nini abafuna usincedisa siyacela izandla akulula phela ukwenza lolu hlelo uhlala idatha yangikhona kuyabe kufiwa so kakulula njalo ngalathi sezisangena-ke ngapha ngasecholotsho kumbe ufuna uku-advertise khululeka u-advertise wena leli page so ungasithinta ngokushesha uyasithola lapha ubuye lapha bhale sikutshale ingoma bakithi siyabonga le mbiko lele ama-messages for insimbi zejwane. Thank you very much for all your help and love wherever you are nalonke elincedisayo konke elincedisa kanjalo siyalithanda lonke uNkulunkulu alenzele kuhle eke kushale ingoma yakho sisa wena-ke uthi umuntu wakho lo umthanda kakhulu lakathi siyamthanda ubaba abantwana. Ngila sisiponono sami sasemthatha hayi uJokwazama waphila kona emaXhoseni nothi ephenduka ekhaya ubona ukuthi hayi akusize emaXhoseni wabejika ke buya lapha ekhaya uzathola intombi yakhe enhle siyitshale ke usisa siyabonga kakhulu usisa ke nanguMichael Nkomazana kunjani Nkomazana ngiyakubingelela ke namhlanje Michael Nkomazana mina ngikhulele ke eZimbabwe khona phana endaweni okuseGwanda eMajondeni msazi isikhathi lesana besisikhathi ke sibi okwamagama impilo ibengane enzinyana ngakho ngenza ke iqhinga lomngane wami ke ngana umuntu umdavu alungisa kubana ke ndoda ukuthi siziphilisa sibe yithi ke abantu esihamba sibamba inkunzi sitshontshe bese kwenza lapha ke eGwanda ke lapha thisa hayi besirobha le night club lapha sithathela abantu imali esingena lokutshini sitshontsha ngamagama kwangela umuntu osinanzelelayo ngoba thina bese ngamasela smart sasigqoka kuhle ukuthi abantu bengacabangi ngotsotso but into ekhona ukuthi hayi sitsotse kakhulu manje into ekhona ke umdavu kwelilanga wasuka sethi sibambe indlu okukhanya kolezinto sabamba ke inkunzi yena wasesuka ke waba into engangitshele yona ukuthi singayenzi le nyanga yesigezisile yayisitshela ukuthi lingazodlwengula abantu wasuka sekhawula-ke lumama lasamthula egqoke-ke amaphitikoti hayi phezu kwakhe mina mphuma kanje mbaleka yena ulala lo mama lwana khonaphana uthe-ke sithi-ke ngesikhathi ngabona seqedile esithi uyaphuma kanti abantu basebezwisa okungena otsotsi hayi bamsekela-ke msakazini bambamba bamgongoda umdavo wafa kanjalo abaleka ngafika ekhaya mina ngalala balandela-ke umzila basekhona umuntu odlala lo muntu lo uMike ngakho ngapha namaphosa ebuya-ke kimi ngafika ngemba phansi zahanjiswa ko-identification parade bakhangela abantu abaningi basithi-ke umuntu lo nguye kanye wasibamba inkunzi lo mama lo-ke wayedlwenguliwe wakhuluma ukuthi mina ngomunye wangikhona hayi ngikwetshiwe ngahlala eGwanda prison 8 years ichisa lakathesi-ke ngilokhu ngilesithuli ngiphume ngo-2019 ehle ngachapha phansi khona okwamanje ngiyasebenza lapha-ke eMessina ngiyagorobha ngumuntu olindayo ngikorobha-ke ikhitshi logesi imbiza kwenye i-restaurant lapho kodwa hayi ngiyaphila inuMichael Nkomazana kodwa uthi yena wayengariphi wayitshontsha siyabonga Nkomazana-ke wena la ungomunye obhaleyo thank you very much ikelasi ukuthi le ingoma othe uyazithanda ukhethisa abaningi ngitshilo ukuthi-ke liyabhalela ngapha ncezabaleka Bryce layo ngani kukhona kubonile njengododo la isake sabale yakhe ingoma intombo zakhe aka-stop over uBryce uthi kukhona kubonileke ezimhleni ngale hamba lubongana ubongana ngasemkhombisela into ezingayisizi cela ulibhale lithi ngabhala ngapha lenze kube ufitshane nje straight to the point ngoba abanye libhala ulandise instead of going straight to the story ngizama ukuthi-ke ngenze lokho kuthiwa yikushotena-ke indaba zakho kodwa kusuke sekundihlupha ukhethile ingoma zabaningana-ke mfowethu wasucela-ke ingoma wathi-ke ubheke umuzi Luthuli emdumiseni nxa ungayithola iyangivusisa kakhulu wena-ke igama lakho-ke uMichael Nkomazana usekhangaphi eMessina eSouth Africa uhlala-ke emajawundeni uthi-ke ulijawunda-ke elikhulu osamama bakhona ongqabuthu lawo ngabeGwanda abantu abaningi beGwanda mani sebezigebenganyana abaningi bakhona kodwa hayi abaningi bakhona abalungile siyabonga laba ababhalileyo lonke njalo likhumbuze nje ukuthi liyacelwa lonke lifike ekuseni kusasa sibe sibokhona ngale-ke ekhaya likama-eli siyabonga laba abuyile bevela-ke eJozi-ke sababona khona pe-Cholocho Center babuyile antwana bevela-ke eSouth Africa bathi bezwa-ke emngcwabeni siyalibonga ngokubuya kwenu njalo libe kuyindlela nhle thank you very much uNkulunkulu aliphathise ngokubuya kwenu lonke libuyileyo sisebenzeni kuhle kusasa abantu kade sikhuluma nje silapha thina ama-artist-ke achaya so siyabonga
Unamsesele kancane ngingene namsekusele kancane ngingene sekusele kancane ngingene namsekusele kancane ngingene yelumiseni oh sekusele kancane ngingene namsekusele kancane ngingene namsekusele kancane ngingene yelumiseni mina ngingangena kanjani ngingangena kanjani ngiyokhokha malini akukhokhwa lutho mina ngingangena kanjani mina ngingangena kanjani njengoba izono zami zinje
ingoma ke vela kubheka umuzi lethole ingoma sithi emdumiswe sijayeleke Michael Mpumo iJonda lelisele linzima likhona ngale ngasemesina no South Africa engiphethe manje ivela ke Mavis ngiyonyelela Mavis Ndoro nothi Ndoro kunjani Mavis asibone yakho ihamba kanjani sisa ke mina ngumama kwamanje sengithenile 39 at 33 I cheated on my husband ngimthanda kakhulu kodwa yakwazi ukuthi I don't know what went wrong ngacina ngithandana nomunye ke ubaba. This happened in Kwekwe when I was in Kwekwe working at this particular bank. So kuthi kulanga wasebuye endlini, my husband had gone on to Cape Town, South Africa. Then usekuru wendoda wasefika wasebonelana indoda. Usekuru wendoda wasesithi wabanikelwa umuntu ke. Usekuru wendoda wasekhuluma nami ngakhala ngixolisa wasithi kokona angisoze ngitshele kumzukulu ngoba ngitshela uyakubulala wena. So mina njona lami ngihawukela zabo izonika lokho kade kunika lo muntu. I thought about it the whole day. Wasebuya in the evening ezongibona esithi ndafungile. Mase ngani nyala wasithi hayi ngiyele drink wine for me and you to drink. Sanatha qalisa walala lami la. So ngoba ngaze saba I didn't want to lose all our businesses and the property engilayo. Mase ngikontina ngilalo security here and there. Wabuya ke umzukulu wakhe angiprotect kakhulu athi azakabone umfazi okhulungile uzamuntu olunge kangaka wahlala kunjalo lokho sitshontsana ebuyele but I was feeling guilty ukuthi usekulona naye plus ngile boyfriend plus indoda yami. So indoda yami yantshela ukuthi ke ngithanda kakhulu ngoba usekuru is trusted and then naye ngipreza kanje. Manje msazi into engigadazayo kuze wathi ngo-2022 sihambe eCape Town wabezovakatsha uyahlupha kwamagama bebe kusithi uyangikhanuka ufuna ulala nami. Manje loke ngiholda ransom ezama umblackmail athi vele uke ngikhulume uyahla ukukhulume yonke into ukuthi mina ngalala lo Rufaro eKwekwe. So iproblem engilayo ukhona eSouth Africa sizama ukuthi ayiloja kwenye indawo siwahamba hlala kwenye indawo. But every time I'm going to kumele sense sex, I'm tired, I'm fed up. I want to keep my husband. And the low muntu is an evil bastard, doesn't want to move away. I'm scared to lose my husband, and I don't know what I can do to this guy. At times I'm thinking of hiring people to kill him. You can't do that. Mama keep on my pain to nigga wet. So now I'm scared. I don't know what I should do. Chisa. Umuntu lasendini hayi umuntu yakhala so asasi ekela ke chale ke izingoma akungupdate lapho incwadi ekumbona ngane sekuqala umnyaka akungupdate ukuthi sohamba njani lo ndodo ongafuna ukuchiya Mavis Ndoro in Cape Town, South Africa uthomentwa ngusekuru wendoda hayi hlobo yakubulala sho relatives they can kill you kana mathini uthi wena this is my own relative, my sekuru, my malumi, which will be protective. Please blame me, Brenda. I've gone to where Brenda comes from and seen ngakibo ngicela ingoma eyi-1 kaBrenda Fassie nxa ngayithola ngajabula yimi Mavis Ndoro in Cape Town, South Africa. I hope wonke kuright lapho. Mavi, thank you very much. We'll play you Brenda Fassie. Sibone ingoma esawuthola nothola amadlozi. Seyithola yini? Uthe ufuna ke ingoma 1 kaBrenda Fassie. I think ngiyitholile, thola amadlozi. So ingoma vela kuma-Brenda Fassie ingoma sithi thola amadlozi besitshala-ke uMavis Ndoro. Mavis Ndoro siyabonga ngokubhala lawo-ke usibhalela ngapha ikela-ke sihambe siye phambili sengiphethe kwamanje-ke ngibona ubani ingoma othi ngichawe dla ngamandla hayi chawe dla ngamandla kunjani-ke chawe dla ngamandla ubhalelawe kulolu hlelo ongisakhumbula. Bekungumnyaka ka-1993 ngoBulawayo lapho bengisebenza khona-ke endaweni inye kuthiwa kuseMonarch. Besenza-ke ama-bags yonke into enjalo-ke sihleli kuhle ngesikhathi samakhiwa. Isikhathi leso-ke bekumnandi ekhaya sikhomba ngophakathi-ke ngifuna kachisa. Kwenzakala ukuthi-ke ekukhuleni kwami lapha ngisebenza kahle sathenga indlu ngathenga indlu eLobhengula West koBulawayo lapha engihlale khona. Ngase ngicina sesiyathatha ke intombi yami eyivela ke eKokhwe nebudziya Kokhwe. Ngamlobola ke lo muntu hayi bamzalisa ke abantwana abathathu. Kuthe ngomnyaka ka 2001 lo mama lo wangani uyagula sithi kezwa kuhle ekhanda isisu umama lo ke wabe sifa engumthanda kakhulu unkosikazi wami, may his soul rest in peace. Chisa ke abikele isihlobo abangibo basenzela isigila mkhuba babe besithi khona umntanethu simbulele, umntanabo simbulele njalo abamlahli bafuna ke inkomo. Wangiqeda ke amandla ukuthi kambe sure omalume bangikhona labo mamazala wayebuya khona lapha endlini namhlanje ngisongantshela into enje. Bakhalala bathi sebebuyela ekhaya sebechiya kunjalo, bachiya ke lapha kunjalo. Ukuthi siyalungisa njani ke isidumbu sesodwa lapha kwabanzima ke basuka lapha omalume bebalandela. Bathi bona bafuna inkomo ezingu-10 njalo ke besingalobolanga le mali ngaso sikhathi yayi 5,000. Wasimangalisa lokho uhamba njani. Yahlala ke unkosikazi engalahlwanga iviki esibili esithathu saya emapholiseni yaphela inyanga kwaba lothuli. Samalo ke manje kumele senzeni ngoba akabulanga yini umkhuhlane kubhali ukuthi ubele heart condition. Kodwa bona abala ukuthi ke simbulele njalo bengalobolanga. Zadingwa ke inkomo zaphuma kanjalo kwakhitshwa ke imali sihawula ke Chisa sithwala ngenkalakade etrucks ngamhla lezinkomo bamladla. La abantu asenze bakhohlwa ukuthiwa unkosikazi wami ngo-2001. Ngiyakhumbula ke namimi nakathi silala ngokuthula kodwa laba abantu vele ngahle ngabhala abantu abami amfuna ukuzwa. Bazamile ogogo bakhona labo malume ukuzama ulanda abantu abami ngosebekhulise besebenza befuna udinga imali. Ngahle ngathi bengabavumeli ngitshola kancane. Ngakho mina abantwana ngabavimba ihlobo zikanina abaziboni. Chisa lakathi ezingizobuhlungu ngokudliwe ngakwenziwayo. Abazidlela lezo nkomo le mali yangikhona ngingasingabonanga lutho. Yindlela ke abantu ke laba abasiphilisa ngayo. Imuchawe idla ngamandla. Awu ndla ngamandla, usidla ngamandla kangaka uyehlule kalula kangaka. Uchawe idla ngamandla ubhala la eseMzansi Africa. Siyabonga antaningi phela usibhala kulohlela ngabase South Africa. Thank you very much. Khona ke eMzansi Africa esithemba konke bayahambela ke forward. Ungangitshela ke ingoma ubona ngani ngiyangikholisisa kakhulu mana undingela mana kudingela lana ingoma ethi isindunduma ngithe yakubusisa ingapha izindunduma ngikoma ingoma ke yeDalom Kids izindunduma produced by Dan Chanda. Ciao dla ngamandla. Siyabonga. ingoma ke mnandi vela ke kudala umkhithi ingoma sithi izindunduma njalo kube fona abaningi babuza ukuthi ke khathi ngaphi lapha eCholotsho lifuna ukuya kimi khona bakethi ngisesitolo sabanikazi njengoba besinike phakathi iCNC lapha lokuyishopanyana kwayo laba bethengisa khona ke impahla zabomama amabra yonke into lamakhamera khona khona lapha siyafilima yonke into okuyishopo okuncane phakathi nitshengisa ukuthi ungapha khona ngibona bamile lapha bonke bakhona apha nje sile ndawo so la ngasifuna eCholotsho siyabuya lemthile ethi ukufilimele khona so siyathengisa lempahla zabomama zimile ngale eceleni so mina mfaka kwenye room lebetheza khona ubongane lo limjwayele ngiyothengisa khona bana nxa ubuye umama la ufuna lezo mpahla uyamthola lapho ubongane uyambuza balabo Amanda labo pro lapha ubongane specialist ekuthungeni futhi la nxa echaya camera udodo ngapha akazazi lezi zinto bengitshele ke ushayela la hayi ngihleza ukuthi umfana olenhloni kodwa uqhatshiwe futhi uyathengizela izimpahla kodwa ulenhloni awumele ngize njalo bongana hayi Melissa kunjani semphethe eyakho Melissa Dube Melissa Dube ngilapha ke mina sembhala sengingapha ngase United States of America. I love the show although sometimes yenza ngisemsebenzini mina I finish work at around 4 p.m. so ngiyayilalela afterwards. By the way nxa senza lapha yabonga chayisi kahle so semayami ufuna usuka umsebenzi wa past 5 ngesikhathi qale siyabu usendleleni usendlini kwabo past 10 khonapha ngazi ukuthi isikhathi bani Melissa Dube uthi when I came to United States of America I was coming to see this guy bhala ngesilungu esinye wenzima. This guy is called Dan. Dan Moyo. I know a Dan Moyo in America. I hope I saw it. The guy is called the Dan Moyo. The guy was so lovey-dovey, sending me presents, money, while I was back home in Zimbabwe. So therefore, Dan decided to do his stuff. Meaning that while I was in Zimbabwe, Dan was busy dating women here. Arrived well in Miami, everything was cool. I finally got a job and I worked as a nurse and he was working somewhere. Then came a day where Dan used to tell me that it's a chance out. Therefore, I couldn't go for a drink with him. Dan decided to cheat on me, cheating on me with a Ghanaian lady and some Jamaican girls. You know how rough they are. One day this Jamaican girl comes to my place, starts attacking me, telling me that I'm a whore who came all the way from Zimbabwe to come and do prostitution. It was then he had told her so. And again, I was forced to marry Dan. Dan was forced to marry me by my relatives. Therefore, I was not a fit woman. I should go back to Africa. Then I thought for once that why should I stress? Why should I suffer? I continued living alone and staying there until his best friend. I thought to myself, why not? I end up betting the best friend, Thabo. And then we were smitten with Thabo, crazily in love. So at the same time, we were still going with the day in my outing. So he used to feed me with all the information and pictures. So I said, no, let me fix my life first. I stayed. Guess what? In 2023, February, went to Zimbabwe. And Utabo, father went to see my family because I had explained to my family that I'm suffering in America. Utabo is now married to me. We are happily married, and now Uden knows the whole story. And he's tried to beg me, tried to apologize. But angisekho lapho Chisa. Name Melissa Dube. I'm 31 years old and very happy with Thabo. Thabo, you're a gentleman, you're very kind, sympathetic. That's the man of my dream. It was a mistake to fall in love with Dan, a womanizer who has got no plan, has got no future. Thabo, let's go, baby. I love you so much. Oh, hey, my friend. Thandwa kuThabo. Hey, Thabo, I was wrong. Thatha umngane wakho ndoda lobola hayi but ngokweni lokho nxa ubona umntana abantu ke ube shoulder to cry on. Wavela wahle wacambalalisa umntana abantu. Wahlathi buya ke mama kube yinto zangikhona. Yena umntana ubuye shoulder to cry on. I love it. Melissa, thank you very much. Hi, Melissa. It's my life. As I told her, it's my life. I just assume this is the song you want. I think it's my life. Play me, it's my life. But I think you mean this one about Dr. Alban. Hopefully, it's my life.
Stop telling people how to run their business. It's my life, take it or leave it, set me free. What's that crap? I know it all. I got my own life, you got your own life. Live your own life and set me free. Mind your business and live my business. You know everything, Papa know it all. Very little knowledge is dangerous. Stop bugging me, stop bothering me, stop bugging me, stop fussing me, stop fighting me, stop yelling me. It's my life. It's my life. It's my life, my boy. 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 It's my life. Do you understand? I live the way I want to live. I make decisions day and night. Show me signs and good examples. Stop telling people how to run your business. Take a trip to east and west. You find out you don't know anything. Everybody's getting tired of you. Sometimes you have to look and listen. You can even learn from me. Little knowledge is dangerous. It's my life. It's my life. It's my life, my boy. 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 It's my life. Set me free, so you beg, so you lie. What you see is what you get. Listen to people and saw things I do them no more. Things I say them no more. Changes come once in life. Stop bugging me, stop bothering me, stop bugging me, stop fussing me, stop fighting me, stop killing me, stop telling me, stop seeing me. It's my life. It's my life. It's my life, my boy. 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 It's my life. It's my life. It's my life. It's my life. It's my life.
Nice. Yeah, okay, ngoma evela ku Dr. Alban, it's my life. Sicheleke Melissa Dube. Thank you very much. Hlobo zami, we have to leave it here. Love you and leave it. You watching this video ezabuya la. Thanduba kakhulu silapha eCholocho. Ekuseni siyanqaba uma early. Nesonto siyanqaba ke eMaviri. So, ngozenzakalayo khona phana ke Joanne Fatima turn off. Insimbi zeJoanne zaba involve accident. Uhlungu ukuthi bafonela umuntu wawatshela ukuthi come to Pinga. Ya insisted that number to come to Pinga. Bahamba ePinga bafika kwale Pinga. Bathe sePinga bathi no, come to Mrewa. Badrayiva ke following taxi endleleni lapha. Umotelana asikwazi, he lost control. Control yafohlika ngacha isihlahla. Wafowethu wasukela la khona phana. Sithi akabalale ngoxolo akabalale ngokuthula. Thank you very much for everybody who have been helping. Silapha ke Cholocho kusasa singaqeda sesiqedile umsebenzi wethu. Sibuyele ke koBulawayo. Siya sister eMuli. Yana uMaviri sibeke siqede lapho. I have done my part. Elani lonke edincedise we have done your part. We cannot as a society ignore sibukelane singancedisana. We need to come together as labani. But we have to come together and work closely together. Ungahlala ngokuliwayo kuphela, uhlala kusiliwa ku social media, hlala kwathakwana njengesizwe. Yabuke isizwe bani khona kani. Instead ukuthi sibe isizwe si1, siqine kwezele eminye imihlobo la lisalo uthi lesabo. I want to thank uDodo basibambele imtshina namhlanje silapha eCholocho. Igama lami ngizeChesbanda. Yachela bukele ivideo le enzimbi. Asambe lazo sibone.
Hello. Sit down.